Once upon a time, a man was walking nearby to a group of elephants. He suddenly stopped. He was confused by the fact that these huge creatures were being held by only a small and thin rope, which was tied to their front leg. No big chains, no cages, and just a small and thin rope. It was obvious that the elephants could at any time break away from its bonds, but for some reason they did not. He was amazed by the fact that the huge elephants are not even making an attempt to break the rope and set themselves free. He saw a trainer nearby and asked him why these elephants just stood there and made no attempt to get free. Well, the trainer said, when they were very young and much smaller, we used the same size of rope to tie them, and at that age, it was enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe that they cannot break the rope. They believe the rope can still hold them. That's why they never try to break free. After listening to the answer of the trainer, the man was amazed and he walked away from there. On the way, he was thinking that these animals could at any time break free from their bonds, but because they believed they could not, they were stuck right where they were. If we see in our lives, we will find that, like the false belief of the elephants that denied their freedom for a lifetime. Similarly, many people are not trying to work towards success in their life just because they failed once, and they start thinking that perhaps they can never succeed in their life, and they stop doing efforts. Their condition is just like that elephant who has made a belief in his mind that he cannot break the rope and became a slave for his whole life. If you want to succeed in your life, then never think in your mind that you cannot succeed, because it is your belief that is keeping you away from success. Therefore, always keep on trying and never get tied up with some false belief that you cannot do it.